here, right? So transport TR issues. Normally, what type of issues we may get while doing the configurations here? TR issues here, right? So transport issues here. So we have done the configuration, then we have created the transport request. I think we have imported the multiple transport request, I guess here. Let me go to the inside of the system. Let's go to the, so this one, you see, are there any transports here? So here development, we don't have any transports. Let's go to the STMS is the transaction code. Just go to the import overview, select the your develop PCP system, refresh it. You will see the list of transports here. List of transports here. You can see it here. All right. So we have the list of transports we have. So I think someone already imported here. So I want to know, if we go to the import history, go to import history, you will get the clear picture here. What date and what time? I think yesterday, I think multiple people they have tried here. So really good here, right? So role creations. So some security team here. So from bill printer, so many things they have created. It's very nice to see the users are creating the so transports role security team. Here now we have the good security team also available. So we have some restrictions also in the, so here, so we have some restrictions, we put it out here. I will create the more restrictions here, right? So this is the way we have transports here, right? So sometimes while importing the transport request, we may face the issue. See, RC12 import cancelled with the RC12. So well, after you import the transport request, sometimes we may get the written codes, transport written codes here. RC means written code. It's not like that anything here. Okay. So written code. So written code here. Okay. So here the written code like 0, 4, 8, 12. There are the 4 written codes are available after the transport imports here. So if it is the 0 successfully imported, if it is the 4 successfully imported with warnings, so we can ignore it this both. But RC8 means, so it's a object error. One or more, so more objects are error means some syntax error, some uncaught exceptions, some object is missing. That is the transport owner will take care of that error here. But when it comes to the RC12, it's a system error. It's a system error. So we need to look that error. We need to look at that error here. RC12, we need to check that error messages here. So what are the things we have to check it out when the RC12 comes here, right? So RC12 means system error. It's purely system related issues here. System related issues here. Whenever, normally I will tell you here, whenever you are importing the transport request here, there is the 4 main causes will detect the issues here, right? What are those 4 main issues here? So normally when you are importing the transport request here, one user is called the driver. That is called the TMS ADM user here. The second one is called the user, then RFC destinations here. This is called the road. Then TMS ADM and TMS SUP2 RFC destinations here. Then so one vehicle, okay, vehicle here. So vehicle here, vehicle is called the RDD IMP DP job here, right? So who will drive this vehicle here? So one user means driver here, right? Then fuel, vehicle required the fuel, right? The fuel is called the BTC work process here. BTC work process here. So here in out of these 4, if any one is not running, not working, then system, the transport will get failed with the RC12. RC12 here, right? So here in this case, suppose you are trying to move the transport from, suppose like Hyderabad to Bangalore. Suppose one system to another system, or Hyderabad to Vijayawada, or Hyderabad to Bangalore, you are moving here. So how can you move? Through road, right? road transports, we will use it here. Road means RFC destinations will be helpful here, right? The connectivity, the RFC destinations will be helpful for here to move the transport request here through RFC destinations will be helpful here to move the transport here, right? So the RFC destinations will be helpful to move the transports here. So here RFC destinations are the TMS ADM RFC destinations will be useful here to connecting to the other systems here. Okay, TMS star RFC destination. Through the destinations, so vehicle normally if you want to move the any parcel here, the vehicle start. Let me try the okay. The vehicle start from here development, then it will pick up the object. Then so the driver is called the who is the driver? TMS ADM user, the vehicle RDD IMPDB job with the fuel. So we have the fuel also available in the vehicle. Then it will start sending the data. It will start slowly. The vehicle will start moving to the your source to target system. Then object will be placed here, right? The transport will go placed here. So in either in any case here, either if any issues here in the either the road is blocked, then the TR, the object will not be imported into the target system, right? If the vehicle is not working good, means job is not working good, then what TR will not be moved here. So vehicle is okay, road is okay, user is okay, then there is no fuel, even though what TR will not be moved here, right? So fuel means BTC work process. If you don't have the BTC work process, definitely you may face the issues here. Definitely you may face the issues here, right? So out of 4, that's why out of 4, if any is not working, then your TR will not be moved to the target system here. That is what we have issues. So in case you have the RFC destination issues means in SM59 we can check it out here. User means in SM01, SU01 in the 000 client we can check whether user is locked or not here. Then we can check the RFC destinations. So whether connecting or not any issues here SM59. This is the job responsible here. But this job is not working. We have to go to the SA38 or SE38. Then we have to run the report here. We have to run the report. That report is called the RDD IMP DP report. We have to execute it to run the job here. This is the one of the guarantee important question they may ask you. So you have to log into the 000 client. You have to log into the 000 client, right? You have to log into the 000 client here. Then DDIC or any other user you can log in, right? So just you can use the 000 client, anything you can use it. Just go to the ST sorry, go to the SA38, then RDD IMP DP. Is it correct? Is it correct or false? We have to run the report is called the RDD IMP DP, right?
Sir, this is job only, right? Report is RDD new PP.
Yeah, that's correct, right? So RDD new PP is the report which we have to run it in the back end. So with the high priority or normal priority, so this report will schedule the RDD IMPDP job will be scheduled from the 000 client. Okay, remember in case of don't get confused. In case of RDD IMPDP job is not running, we have to run the report in the backend using the SA38 or SE38 transaction code, right? RDD new PP. So that is the thing you should remember here. Don't get confused here. Okay. So that is the one. Okay. So out of three, anything is not working, we may face. Or where can I check whether the TR is failing or jobs are not running? Where can we check here? We can check in the import history. We can go to the here import history. We can check it out. What is the error messages? Are there anything or not? Or we can go to the system log, TP system log, not the import TP system log. Here you will get the more messages here. Here you get the error messages here. Let me check RDD, IMP, DP. Any errors here? No, not. No. So here no errors reported. So here you can check the recent logs. Are there any error messages which is frequently repeating? That frequently which is repeating in the systems or not? We need to check it out whether the job is running or not. We can check it out. Go to the TP system log. You will get the more logs here. You see like this here. You will get the more logs here. You can see here the RDD job is not running, the background job cannot be started, the background job cannot be started, it's not started. So like that, you will get the more issues here, harmless, like RDD IMPDB job is not running, job turning, not running, not running, you see. So lot of events in the system, lot of error messages here. In this case, IMPDB job is not started, terminated here, right? Which means the background job is not running in the ECD system. Then we have to go to the 000 client. We have to execute the report like this. How we executed, we have to execute the report here, right? So this is the one of the cause for the so transports are not getting imported. So this is the one of the issue here, right? So in the here we can check it out, or if we go to the trans directory, in the trans directory itself, here, if we go to the here in the trans directory here, USR, SAP, then trans, in the trans directory itself, we have the bin, buffers, co-files, data files. Bin is here, we have the all the configuration files will be stored here. Buffers means imported transport request will be stored here, right? Co-files and data files. So co-file starts with the K9. Whenever you export the transport request, it will generate the K9, right? So so it will generate the one co-file, data file with the R9. It will generate the co-files and data files. Means one TR will split into the two files. One is the co-files and the data files here. Then EPS means support pack time. We will use this EPS directory here. Then ETC normal. In the log directory, if you go to the S log, so here the system log, TP system log, here you will get the all the information here, what's happening in the system. So all the information will be available in the TP system log here, right? SAP names means the developer details will be located here. So storage, sum. So these are the normal things here, right? So these are the trans directory related things here. In the log folder, in the trans log directory, we can find out the error messages. In the trans log directory, we can find out the errors here, right? System log and these logs we can find out here all the information here. Okay, that is the trans directory related errors here. How to import the transport request means using the STMF transaction code. We can select the transport request. We can log into the system, right? Then you can go to the STMF is the transaction code. Then select the import over. You select the queue, which system you want to import, select that system. Then here select the related table, related system means related. So transport request, click on the import symbol. You will get the import request symbol here. Then select the client, which client you want to import here. Then select the client. Then you can just click on the import button. Then TR will be imported into the target system here. Like this, you need to do the import option here, right? Select the transport request. Here normally you will get the two trucks here. One is the semi-load truck and one is the full load truck. Full load truck means it's a all import, all the transport will be imported here. Don't click that one. That is the dangerous button, right? Don't do, just click on the offload truck. This is the semi-load offload truck button. So then if you click that button, only one transport request we can import at a time here. That transport request we can import it here. Here see the TR is getting running here. Just click on the refresh button. So that is imported here. That is imported here. So the logs we can find out from the TP system log here. So we want to know how many transports are imported from the day wise, like we can find out here. You want to, how many transports are imported in the last year to till date here? 2023 to till date, how many transports are imported here? You can see 183 transports are imported from here, right? 183 transports are imported total here, right? We got the list. Up to now, 183 transports are imported in the systems here. So we got the list in the systems here. Okay, so that is the one thing here we should be knowing. Okay, so these are the transport issues. We may get it out in the systems here. Okay, so that is the transport related thing. Then, so the next one, the next topic is the, let's discuss, that is on the tomorrow,